Hello friends, today we'll see how to run the Excel Micro in using Automation Anywhere A2019. Here I have the master Excel where I have the Mark 1 and Mark 2. I need to add these two and keep here in the D column. So let me create a macro for this. Insert a module. WBS workbook. STS worksheet. Set WB equal to workbook dot open. So here I will create a variable Excel path or string, and here I will pass that Excel. Then set SST equal to worksheet, and the exit is SHT. Okay, so we need to add the B column range. B column and C column we need to add, and we need to keep in D column. Okay, value equal to SST dot range V2 dot value plus SST dot range V2 dot value. Okay, so this is done. To save this as a Excel micro book, Excel micro enabled workbook. Okay, and save it and close everything. So this is our micro. Okay, so let me open my 2019. First we need to open the Excel. We need to select from the Excel Advanced. Okay, there are two ways we can open. One is a basic, one is Excel Open. The difference is in Excel Advanced you can open all the formats: Excel SX, Excel SM, Excel XP and CSV file, but in basic you can open only XLS file. Okay, so let me open my Excel SM file, that is total. Okay, and upload it. Now click on save. Now I have to run macro. Run macro. Okay, so you can see our macro name is, total. This is our macro name. Okay, and we are passing one argument, that is the path. So I have created one variable called Excel path, and the default value is this one. So just pass the path of your master Excel. Okay, and in an argument we need to pass that variable Excel path. Okay, insert it, click on save. So I will close all the macro and Excel file. So let me run my Excel macro. See, it's open and it's written the total value here. Okay, it's completed. In this way you can run the Excel macro. Here you need to select the advanced Excel. Here you need to select the advanced option and you need to pass the macro name, and you have single or multiple argument, you can pass the multiple arguments also here. Thank you guys.